Hello guys, today I'm going to talking about very small things in the Google Ads, but very effective. Because if you don't know or if you ignore these settings on the Google Ads, then you will lose and you will waste a lots of money, lots of budget in your Google Ads. So uh, don't ignore this. Let's get started. At first, we're going to our browser. So this is our browser, and then we're going to our Google Ads account. We're going to Google Ads account, and we're going to create campaign. So we can select any one of these. Search, continue, continue again. Campaign name, continue, step now. Bidding and network. So CCTV we learn, we understand about location, and now we'll understand about look networking. So we are doing search ad. I mean PPC ad. PPC ads means pay per click ads. So if anyone search in the search bar any kind of keywords like plumber in Newark, then we can see our ads. This is called search ad, and this is the Google search engine. So, above of that, Google has another way to show I mean, watch or show your ads in another Google's another partners or Google's another product or Google's another services. So this is called networks. There is a two terms on the networks you can see, and automatically these two terms are if you don't change then these two terms will be tick mark. Uh, you see this there is another option to hide these networks. Most of the time if you don't use them, then this option will be uh, closed and you cannot see because uh, so if you know this then you can change this. So uh, let's understand what this is. So at first we can see the Google Search Partner Network and in the bracket recommended, and second one is Google Display Network recommendation. So at first you will understand Google Search Partner Network. So what is Google Search Partner Network? If we understand and if we try to read this, we can see that Google Ads, Google can appear near Google search result on the Google Search Partners websites when people search your terms and uh, relevant to keywords, relevant to your keywords, search partner can include in handled on the handed on Google's website. Um, prank women and also YouTube and also. Okay. What? Okay. We can we'll understand that Google search partner. So who are the Google search partners? Google search partner is the Google's product like YouTube and Google Map and Google Meet and also lots of product. If we go to in the Google search, then we can see and the lots of product have in Google's. These all our products are Google's product. So Google's trying to get the permission for it from you that he can see your ads on these type of uh, uh, search partners. If Google think that your target customer will be on those type of partners. And second one is display network. Display networks means if display networks means there is a lots of website in the Google's partners like if you want to if you want to earn some money on your ad on your website, then if you give the permission on Google to take give the AdSense, then Google will be saw the saw or appear your ads. That's called display networks. If we want to understand very deeply, then if we go to any website, like in our country, Prothomalo, Prothomalo, we can see some ads. We can see some ads, like we can see some ads. This this one also, and also this one, this one, this one. This is called display network or display ads. So if you on this option, then Google will be appear your ads on their partners. Uh, partners websites, so that if Google think that your targeted customer is on or visit on this type of websites. So what actually happened? So actually, in this type of partners, there is not high intent client found, because in the search term, the customer search by whom that plumber in Newark, plumber near me. The keywords. So they are searching for your services. But if someone will go to a newspaper website or any kind of website, he he will not here to buy your product or services. He will go to here for read something or enjoy something. And also same thing on the Google search partner. They are not uh, to ready buy here, but in the search bar on in the search, they are ready to buy. That's why they are searching. So uh, we will in the beginning when we run the Google ads in the beginning, we always try to uh, remove these tick marks, and for that Google cannot cut out our budget. Google cannot cut. Google also cannot uh, waste our budget. But you can ask me why it's recommended. Uh, I said that before of my previous of my video, that is Google sometimes wants that your budget will be finished very fast, and then he can watch or saw your another ads in the Google search. That's why Google try to cut your budget very fast. And I I hope you can understand these settings. Uh, but when your ads is hold, there is a lot of data have in your accounts, and some there is some valuable customer, valuable leads came in your ads. After that, you can on uh, these two options. Because if you own these two options, then you can get very low CPC, and sometimes you can it's work better. So you can own this. You can explore each and everything by your own, because the every business is different and every customer is different. But I recommended that if you run Google Ads new campaign. I mean, if you run a new campaign in the Google Ads, then you do not own this, because at the time Google has, I mean, Google AI has not lots of strong AI data, so that you do not own these two options. After when Google get lots of data for your ads, then you can own this. And Google AI can explore each and everything. And if you see that uh, the these two options do not work so much, then you can stop it. So we have lots of options, so we'll use it. And in the Google Ads, budget is very important, because we know that every click cut your budget. So if you don't want to waste your budget, you have to watch all of my videos. And I am putting on videos every day in my channel. Uh, I think you will understand each and everything about Google Ads. So watch my videos, comments, anything. You feel any questions, any problems, and comments in my videos, I will answer you. And if you want that I will give you the suggestion or problem solution face one to one. Then you can also knock me in my WhatsApp. I I give the number on the description. And also, if you want that I have a community, there is a lots of person who are joining in a WhatsApp group. There is a community. I give everyone's questions answering in a day, a week. So you can also join her. I will keep the link below the description, so you can join her. That's it today. Uh, I hope you can understand very better. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much.